here in Colorado, when the Master Gardener program started, the idea was to extend the reach of a local horticulture agent to the general public as volunteers. They can serve as these master gardeners and be able to help extend the reach.
The Master Gardener program has a number of volunteers across the state, and here in El Paso County, we have about 75 volunteers. These volunteers are imperative, crucial, the heart and soul of our program, and they help us bring research-based education to our community. So they make the work that's happening on campus accessible to our community here as they garden in their home landscapes.
It's been a pretty rich experience of volunteer work. We help the community. I mean, the more things you can grow, the better life is.
Master gardeners are a force of nature. They have so much energy and so much enthusiasm, and they bring all of their own unique backgrounds.
When I've talked to master gardeners, they typically tell me three things that attract them to the program or keep them coming back. The first thing is they want to learn. I think most master gardeners are lifelong learners. They are eager to learn, and they're especially passionate about gardening. So the learning aspect is high on the list. There's also a strong desire to give back to their communities through volunteer service. And the third thing is the social aspect.
One of the most unique aspects of the Master Gardener program is that we see true intergenerational friendships. So we have volunteers that are 18 or 19. We have a lot of volunteers now who are in their 30s and 40s, and we have a number of volunteers who are in their 40s, 50s, and a number of retirees as well. And these volunteers become friends. It's not a situation where the younger people are serving the older people and vice versa. These are true friendships where they get to know each other and work alongside each other to serve this community.
For me, the Master Gardeners are really like family. I have had so many wonderful conversations. A lot of them are friends. We have had dinner together. We have had so many great connections. And they are just at the core of it, great people. They are passionate, they are involved, they are interested in helping their community. Gardeners are happy people. They really enjoy talking, they enjoy getting to be part of the community.
I do think that the volunteering efforts from the Master Gardeners has really allowed the program to continue to be a cornerstone in Colorado. People have a lot of questions, and a lot of people are moving here from other environments which are totally different. And I think having the resource of the Master Gardeners, as well as the fact sheets and the website, and having those things really accessible to people is going to continue to launch it into the next 50 years.